This brand is assembled in America and is sold through its dealer network in the USA and Canada. All of the units feature louvered panel construction to protect the coil from physical damage. They have a powder coat finish as well as their weather guard fasteners that resist rust and keep the unit looking better through the years. The units have an all-aluminum spine fin coil that is good at preventing corrosion, but it makes the outdoor coil harder to keep clean, which can lower the system performance. The all-aluminum coil is also harder to repair than brands that use copper tubing. The XR14 models are basic units with all of the standard features but only an average guarantee. They have a 7.8 HSPF heating efficiency but are relatively loud during operation at a level of 76 decibels. The XL17i units are their premium units and feature 2 stages of heating and cooling as well as a variable speed condenser fan motor for energy savings. The XL17i also features their Link technology where the heat pump uses Bluetooth to talk to the other parts of the HVAC system to maximize performance. The 1520i is an ultimate heat pump with a good guarantee, but it does not include unit replacement in case of compressor failure, which has pretty much become the industry standard. It has their weather guard top which keeps snow, rain, and debris out of the unit and provides for better curb appeal. All of the units use R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R32. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.